How to use Pith Instructions. A Pith Instruction is an offering to the heart, not a weapon to use against the mind. Pith Instructions are an offering to our true nature, our Buddha nature, pristine awareness itself. We offer it by reciting it gently and easily a few times over, and then resting in silent stillness. The heart knows what to do with it. You just relax. Surrender to the Pith Instruction and relax into stillness. Don't hold on to it, cling to it, or try to suck the life out of it. Let it breathe. Surrender and relax. Don't contemplate it on the cushion. Let resting in silent stillness do all the work, whether it be in shamatha, sky gazing, or corpse pose. Offer the Pith Instruction to your heart and ask for nothing in return. Once offered to the heart in this way, by simply speaking it aloud a few times, gently and with no expectations of getting anything in return, we just rest and allow it to undermine the self in its own way and in its own time. Trust this process. It will work. Be patient. Just as water breaks through the toughest stone without effort, just like wind can reshape the mightiest trees completely naturally, so too Pith Instructions, in conjunction with stillness, undermine the dualistic mind naturally and effortlessly, inevitably leading one to the state of awakening. So surrender and relax. Soften the heart, and remember, there is no freedom without surrender.